Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss some previous year numerical ability questions which were asked in TCS NQT. So starting with the first question. So this is the first question. You can pause the video and try it yourself. Then we will move to the solution. Okay. So now we will see the solution. So the question is, how many distinct words can be formed using all the letters of the word learn? So we have to say what all different possibilities by taking all the letters that different words we can form and all should be distinct. So we have to say that suppose learn is here, so we have to make the arrangement within it. We have to just keep shifting the word and generate all the distinct words. Like let us say I place E here and L here, so ELARN, it could be another word. So just make all the possibilities, just make the different arrangements and we have to say. So this is very simple, I think. So in this case, as I have written, since all the letters of learn is distinct, so total number of words that can be formed will be 5 factorial. So I hope this is very simple question. So we have to see what all arrangement is possible. So different arrangements that is possible using the word learn. So all the letters. So different arrangements, we know there is 5 places. So all the arrangements could be 5 factorial. Okay, we have seen it, but if you want I can explain you. So let us say in first place there could be 5 words, LEARN. So 5 words can come on first place. Now coming to the second place, since one word has already been occupied, so there can be 4 possibilities here, then 3, then 2, then 1. So just multiply everything and 5 factorial is basically 120. So 120 word we can generate using the all the letters of the word learn, and all will be distinct. So I hope it is clear. So just take 5 factorial. Since there is no any letter repeating, if there had been some repeating letters, then that question will be different. Okay, but since in this case all the letters are unique, so we can directly do 5 factorial. Suppose if there had been 6 letters, suppose after N there could be suppose T, then the answer will be 6 factorial, because all the different arrangements that we can do using a 5 letter is 5 factorial. So 120 will be the answer. Okay, now we will move to the second question. Okay, so you can pause and try. Okay, so this question is from ratio and proportion, and this is also simple question. You have to just stick with me. Okay, and I hope many of you might have solved this question. So the question, it is saying that two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If 3 is added to the first number and 9 is added to the second number, the ratio becomes 4/7. Then we have to find the sum of the original numbers. Okay, two numbers are given, so we have to find the sum. So let us see the solution. So just go through, be with me step by step. This is very simple. Okay, so two numbers are there. So I have taken, so let the two numbers be x and y. So two numbers I have taken, that's all. Now it is saying that they are in the ratio 3:5. So x y y equals to 3:5, 3y, simple. But see, directly we cannot write like this. Ratio basically means, so it should be something like that. X y y equals to 3k y 5k, because this is ratio. Okay, so it must be something 3k by 5k. Okay, so x y y equals to 3k by 5k. But since k is both in the numerator and denominator, we can remove k and we can just write like this. So x y y equals to 3/5. This is the first equation. Now it is saying if 3 is added to the first number, so first number is x, so I have added 3, and 9 is added to the second number, so second number is y, so I have added 9. Then the new ratio becomes 4/7. So I have written x plus 3 by y by 9 equals to 4/7. Again, here also it should be 4k or suppose 4t by 7t. But since t is both in the numerator denominator, we can cancel it out. Okay. So now we got two equations. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. Now we have to find the sum of the original numbers. So original number is x and y, so we have to find x plus y. Now to get x plus y, we have to find the value of x and value of y, and that is simple because we have two equations and two variable x and y. So just solve these two equations, get x, y and do x plus y. That's all. Okay, so I hope it is very simple to solve these two equations. So what I have done, I have taken, so now see, to solve any equation, if there had been just single variable, so let us say here also x, here also x, then it is very easy. But the problem is there that we have two variables. So to solve this, whenever you have this type of equation where you have two equation and two variable, so just do one thing, take one variable out and put the value in it. Like I have taken the value of y from this equation, so x by y equals to 3 by 5, then y will be 5x by 3. From here, from equation 1, we can take y equals to 5x by 3. Now this y we can put here in second equation. Now the moment you put here, now everything in the second equation comes under x. Now that is simple. Okay, so whenever you have this type of, just remember this, whenever you have two equations and two variable, just take second variable values and put into the other equation. Okay, so that everything comes in one variable. Now after I put the value of y here, so it will become something like this: x plus 3 equals to value of y is 5x by 3 plus 9 equals to 4 by 7. So see how simple it's become. Now everything is in x, so we can easily solve this. So we can do cross multiplication, and from here I've taken out the value of x, which is 45. Okay, so the value of x we got 45. Now we have to find the value of y. So y value we can take from this equation or from this, any equation you can use. So x equals to 45, so just put here 5 into 45 by 3. Okay, so y will be 75. So we got both x and y, so we have to find sum. So x plus y will be 75 plus 45, which is equals to 120. So 120 will be the answer. So I hope this is clear. So in this case, just we have to solve two equations. This was the first equation, this is the second, and we have to solve this. And to solve this, I told you there is one simple rule that makes your, just do one thing, just make everything in any equation either in just x or just y. So the same thing we did, there is x also, y also, so I have put value of y in term of x in this equation. Now everything comes under x, so we can solve this. So this was the second question, and I hope it is clear. Now we will move to the third question. You can pause the video and you can try. Okay, so the question is, if the 9-digit numbers, there is a number like this, is divisible by 99, find the value of root x plus y, under root x plus y plus z. So this is a number, 9-digit number, but we are not aware of x, y and z. So we have to find the value of under root x plus y plus z, and we have 4 options. So see, whenever you have these types of equation or this type of question, so this is basically we have to find the value of under root x plus y plus z. So let us see the solution. So what we are doing here, what we will do, now see, if this number, whatever number that we do not know, because x, y, z is not known, whatever this number is, if it is divisible by 99, then we can say that 99 equals to 9 into 11. So if this number is divisible by 99, it means it is also divisible by 9 and 11. Okay, because if it is divisible by 99 and 99 equals to 9 into 11, so we can say that this number must be divisible by 9 also and 11 also. Okay, I think this is clear. So if this number is divisible by 9 and this number is divisible by 11, then we can get two things. If you remember, we have seen, I think all of you might know, there is a rule of divisibility by 9 and by 11 also. So same thing we will apply here and we can get the values. So let us see. So one thing is clear, that this number is divisible by 9 and this number is divisible by 11. Now we will apply the divisibility rule of 9, which says that, I hope many of you might know this, which says that a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all digits is divisible by 9. So this is rule. By applying this rule, any number if I give you, you can say whether it is divisible by 9 or not without even dividing it. Okay, so this is simple rule. So let us say I've taken example 1368. Now if I directly ask you that is this number divisible by 9 or not, so you might think for a while, you will try to divide this. Okay, but there is simple rule which says that just take the sum of all the digits. Okay, so 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8, which is 18. Now we have to check whether this sum is divisible or not. If this sum is divisible, it means this number is also divisible by 9. And if this sum is not divisible by 9, it means this number is also not divisible by 9. Okay, so the sum is 18, which is divisible by 9. So we can confirm that this number must be divisible by 9. Okay, so this is a rule. Like 18, so 8 plus 1, 9. So in this way we can check divisibility of 9. Now let us see divisibility of 11. So there is another rule which says that a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of sum of alternate digit is divisible by 11. So this rule is like this. There is a number. At first you have to take the sum of all digit which is at odd position. So which is at first position, then third and then fifth. Take the sum. So first position is 6, third position is 3, fifth position is 2. So take the sum of all the digit which is at odd position, means first, third, fifth, seventh, like that. Now take the sum of all digit which is at even position. So second and fourth. So 4 plus 7. So the sum is 11. Now take the difference. So 11 minus 11, 0. Now if this difference is 11 divided by 11, divisible by 11, it means this number is divisible by 11. This is the rule. Okay, so this is the rule of divisibility by 11. Take the sum of all odd digit, odd places number, take the sum of all digit which is at odd place, take the sum of all digit which is at even place, and then take the difference. Now check whether that difference is divisible by 11 or not. This is the rule. So I hope I made you clear the divisibility of both 9 and 11. Now this two rule I will apply on this number. Okay, because this number is also divisible by 9 and 11, that we know. So the same rule we will apply here. Okay, and then we will get the answer. So we will apply the divisibility of 9 here. For that we will just take the sum of all digit. So 8 plus 7 plus x plus 6 plus y, if you add all this, so it will be 38 plus x plus y plus z. Means, and we know that this is divisible by 9. It means 38 plus x plus y plus z should be divisible by 9. Okay. Similarly, we will apply the rule of divisibility by 11. For that, we will take at first the sum of all odd digits, means odd position. So first position is 8, third position is 7, then 6, and then fifth, first, third, fifth, 7th and 9. So we will take the sum, so it will be 38. And then we will minus it and take the sum of all even places. So even place is second place. So 0 plus x plus y plus z. So 38 minus x plus y plus z. Now we know that this must be divisible by 11. So we got two equations. One is this one is this one. Now what we will do? Now see, the answers could be one of these four options only, no? So what we will do reverse. If suppose if any of this option is answer, it means this option 6 is under root x plus y plus z. So to get the value of x plus y plus z, we will take the square. And that x plus y plus z we will put here and we will check the divisibility, that's all. And the one option which will satisfy this will be the answer. So let us do one by one. So 6 is nothing but, let us suppose this is the answer. Then root x plus y plus z is 6. So x plus y plus z will be 6 square, which is 36. Now we will put here 38 plus 36, which is nothing, sorry, 38 plus 36, and which is not divisible by 9. Okay, so in the same way, or we can check it here also, 38 minus 36, which is 2, which is not divisible by 11, we know. Okay, it means this cannot be our answer. Okay, so now we will go with the second option. So we will take the square, so root 5 square is 5. So we will put it here. Okay, so 38 plus 5, which is 43. Now we know that 43 is not divisible by 9, but it should be divisible, we know. It means this cannot be our answer. Now we will put 4 square, 16. So x plus y plus z is 16. So we will put it here. So 38 plus 16, which is 54, which is divisible by 9. So it means it could be our answer. Now we will put it in the second equation. So 38 minus 16, which is 22, which is also divisible by 11. So it satisfies both the equation. It means this will be our answer. Okay. So see, by seeing this question, you might be thinking it is bit lengthy, but it does not, because in this video I made you understand all the rule also, divisibility by 9, divisibility by 11. But if you know all this rule, then you will directly jump to this part, and then with the help of these options we will put one by one, and we will check that both should be true. Then only that will be our answer. Like this, we have put 16 here in both the equation, and both satisfied. So 38 plus 16 is 54, which is divisible by 9, and 38 minus 16 is 22, which is also divisible by 11. So that's why it will be our answer. And you can put this also, it will not satisfy. Okay, so this was all from my side. I hope it is clear. If you still have any doubt in any of the above questions, you can write in the comment section. I will reply. Okay, so thank you guys, take care.